Yung view. I don't know, my love. You can see it. It's tiny drop in here. Did you see how they managed their place in here? Still, they develop, but still the maintenance. See that? It's pretty, my love. See? Pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. I like in here. And there's a old house in here. See that house? It's like haunted. I think it's native house. I don't know who is the owner on that spot there, right there. Hold on. Oh, it's having a tiny drops in here, make one. We're going to see. See? It's cool. Right? Cool, cool, cool. See? Oh, that's so nice. And this is the dining area. It's nice. I don't know if you can see. But the other, I'm going to take video later. But for now, this is the view. Nindot kayo, no? Close. Ada ni keep gate close at all time. Oh, namin ang kuan dito. Nahinlo. Dari, mag-agi pa dari. Nasa Gumamila. Kala chuchi. Lubi-lubi mo siya tawag. At to murder. Dining area. Ganahan mo order. Hala, order na mo. Kananan. Basa aglamisa. Kiwan. Nandito lang ko andare. Flowers. Bougainvillea. Pwede dyan na dito. Lubi. Wala na dahon. Kinjag mataga. Nindot, no? Nindot. Oh. Basta kay dako. Nako ang area. Super big. Yeah, mo stay mo dana. Pwede man na mo stay. Oh, di na ko dana man na yung mga room. Dari ako magi. Kaya yung takagawas. Bamboo, swimming pool, the pool and pool area are the use of our in-house guests. For in-house guests ra daw na. And house guests. Oh. Pretty. It's nice, no? Sa dakuha nga flower base. Ano sa mani? Uy. Yanik. Nagana silang kuranan. Uy. Gas ride. Kuan, pangita. Gas. Lingkuranan. Pagi mo. Rainfall. Kanindot na. Hinahinayon ako. Smile. Tinawang pool. Pay nangaligo. Dato dagat man po na dato. Dato dapit dagat makita ninyo dagat ya. Indoor. Swimming pool. Reminder. No lifeguard. Please be aware. No lifeguard. Nanay nagkaping. Ang partner. Dato. Dagat. Tunk. Pretty. Please be aware, no lifeguard on duty. Children using the pool. Must be supervised by all times. Bamboo. I'm gonna go. And here, this is going outside. Going outside na. Happy bye-bye, Ari, oh. Waiting area. Ginahan maglingkod-lingkod na diawa. Sige, ginadjog ko sa view ay. Sus, kung makakwarta lang ko, no? Kanang milyon, paliton na ako. Saan pag, kanong sa apakaha. Amin tag-aho na ni. So, sa kapamilya ka-aho na ni. Diba? Di bitaw. Kay rampod lalim ang kantidada ni ay. Sabi na kay dako. Dako ang area. Sindako gyud. Na pag maintain plan dani, sus. Di mabangbang na. Tungod sa kadako. Napay kuan. Singanan tag-asog tiil. Cute. Cute ka aja. Nadyo kayo nga nang ipagkaminti na. Ano ba? Naling puranan niya pala ito. Solid sad. Nice. Masalay water bilili na to. Okay. Sorry. Oh. Nice na. Nindot. Picture ko dari dapita.